Hi, I'm Mike from Avocado Property, and today you join me in Cricketfield Grove in Crowthorne, where I've got a stunning 4-bedroom detached property just behind me here, built only in 2018. Now this house has got 4 great sized bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and also comes complete with a garage which is tandem lengths to the rear. But before we go and take a look inside, Will's going to take you around the local hotspots.
Thanks, Mike. And literally 5 minutes walk away, you join me to the entrance of Swinley Forest. Here you can get to the likes of the lookout very easily. This is perfect for walking, taking the dog for a walk, or even cycling. And just a 10-minute walk away, you join me in Crowthorne High Street, where you've got a mixture of independent shops, pubs and restaurants. And often the reason people want to move to Crowthorne is this, the Edgebarrow Secondary School. The property falls within walking distance, which is perfect. And just a short distance away, you join me at the well-regarded Wellington College Secondary School. This has also got a health spa and gym for the public. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're interested, please do get in touch, give us a call, drop us an email, and we cannot wait to show you around.